Hello everyone, welcome to part 32 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners, and we will continue working on the product detail page. And in this video, we are going to show the proceed as well as the checkout button. See, we have able to show the proceed button, and the proceed button will only come when the user is logged in. Otherwise, that checkout button will come. Here you can see the logout. Okay, so if the user gets logged out, and he will go to the same product once again, and he can see the login to checkout button. Okay, so once he will click on login to checkout, then he can able to log in from one of the account. Okay, I'm going to log in here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then he can see he can able to add any of the product. Okay, so now he can able to see the proceed button. Okay, so now we need to update here. We need to update few things here at the top also. We need to update few things. Rect fine, it is route fine, use search param, and also we are going to use here use navigate also. See, once the user will click on that proceed button, he is going to navigate as well. Okay, use navigate. And other than this, here set product. Okay, that is fine. And after that, other than this, okay, so after this search params, and we are going to take one more const for the size. Okay, the size that the user is going to select, set size. We are going to use state, use state. Okay, in the same way, we can simply use it like this. Okay, so after this one more time, we are going to use for it for the product id, for the product id. Okay, product id also we are required to pass. Okay, two things we are required to pass to add the product in cart. Okay, here we will also add the cards table. Okay, though we are going to add the product in cart and will straight away take the user to the checkout page. Okay, so see, we are not going to give any other option to the user to we will not give the user option like multiple products of adding the multiple products. That we are going to do in the advanced version, but in the basic version we will keep it simple, that the user can able to add any product to his cart and can able to place the order for that. Okay, so uh, here product id and product id, for product id as well, set product id, set product id. Okay, we're going to take it like this. Okay, set product id, and also navigate also we will take the const navigate equal to use navigate. Okay, so other than this, and so this one is fine. So let's come down now, and we are going to update here the proceed button. Okay, where see that will come when the user is logged in. Okay, along with this proceed button, and here see, this select site must also come up here. You can see here that this one we have given there. Okay, I'm going to cut from here because here this must be part of the proceed button, and here I'm going to add this one here. Okay, like this I will see the design that how it will look. Okay, so it is looking like this, like select size, so no issue. See, this part we are showing here, though it will come for the app. Okay, we are going to check in app, see how it will look like. Okay, so because the main thing is that it is the part of the app. Okay, so here you can see that user can able to see all the information and can then finally able to select the site. Okay, don't give too much long information. Okay, so 1 2 line of information is more than enough. Okay, so this is the second product we can see able to see. So now see, after this one, here we are showing now after select we are showing the button. Okay, so here we are going to make it correct. Here I'm going to select size, going to make it like this, select size, and after this, so that formatting is must be correct, otherwise you can't able to understand anything. Okay, so now after select we have the button as well, but one more we are going to add the product id as well. Okay, and along with the product id, inside this we are going to add the form as well. Okay, so so we are going to add here the form, and I'm going to end this form after button. Okay, so now we are going to add one hidden value, that is product id. We require the product id. Okay, so input name equal to id, and we're going to add the type as hidden, and here the value we are going to have the value as product object id. Okay, like we are showing this one, product object dot id. This is the product id. Okay, and on change event we're going to do like in the same way like we used to give all the time, like for request for other, I'm going to open one of the component, like I'm going to copy from any that will help us. Okay, like on change event we are going to copy this one. Okay, so here, but here we are going to set it here we are given set product id. Okay, set product id, name id, type hidden, and here value is coming set product id. Okay, so I think that's done. Okay, so we can end this and input will get end. So here we can make it test once just to see that the value is coming inside this or not. And here so you can see the value is coming, this value is coming here too. Okay, so that is fine. We can again make the type as hidden. Okay, so once now we can able to click on this proceed button, and here see once we will click on proceed button this size will come up here. You can able to see once we will click on proceed button, you can see we got this size here in our header along with the id. Okay, so on the basis of the id as well as this size we are going to hide this proceed button, and we are going to show here the checkout button. And here we are going to show the selector size. We will not show the drop down once again. We are going to show the selector size. Okay, like we have done large selected. We'll click on proceed. Okay, and here you can reach here. It is still showing the medium, but we are going to show the selector size as medium and without drop down, and along with the checkout button. Okay, so that thing we are going to do now. So here we are going to add the another condition inside this. Okay, this is the one form, and another form we are going to add, and one more condition we are going to add on the basis of the search params. And if the search param is having this size, okay, so we have the search params here. We are using here the search param. See this one search params. Okay, so like search params get id, we are going to take this size here. Okay, so here I'm going to add the another condition. I'm going to add the condition here, uh, like this one, and search params dot get size here, and on the basis of this one we will start here the condition, and here everything will come inside this one. See here I'm going to see I'm going to put this form, complete form, inside this one. Okay, and here otherwise we are going to do it like this. Another form I'm going to add. Okay, I'm going to make the change with this form inside this one like this. Okay, so other than this I think it will work fine. And we are going to close this braces, and it seems to be fine, I think. Let's refresh and let's see that it's working or some error is coming. I think it's working. Okay, some issue is coming. We're going to see what issue is coming here. Okay, so here it is ending here, so that's why it will end up here. Okay, here it's going to end. I'm going to end this like this. Okay, now it must work fine. Let's see. Yeah, now it is working fine. Okay, so uh, if the search param is having size, okay, then in form action we are not going to do anything in form action here. We will make it javascript. We will not refresh anything. We will take it to that function. Okay, we will create new function, and here hidden fine, and along with that one more hidden. So here h for this one selector side, we are going to show the selector side here. Okay, so here one more time I'm going to take it. Okay, and inside this I'm going to take one more, and here this time we are going to take here the size. Okay, name size, and this time product object dot size. Okay, so value we can show from the from value for both we can show from that search param itself. Okay, so there is the advantage of the search param. We are having it in the search params, so we can show from the search params. Okay, so here the value we can show from the search params. Okay, we can make the it like test. Okay, like this, and its value, see product id is fine, but its value we can show it like this. Okay, and on change, and in on change we are going to have the set size here. If you know that we have the set size here at the top. Okay, set size we are using now, set size. Okay, so target everything seems to be fine. Okay, so now we can check once, and this one, yeah, this one we can show it like selected sites, selected site, selected site. Here going to show it like this. Selected site will come up like this, and this one will not come. In h4 selected site will come, and here instead of proceed we have the checkout button, and in checkout button we will send it to we will create one function. Okay, so that we will do later. Okay, we will create one function. In that we are going to show we will send the user. Okay, so now yeah, two and large both are coming fine, so we can make it hidden for both. Okay, so now our task is done. Okay, so now you can see it is showing like this. Okay, you can see the selected site is large, with the checkout button it is coming, and here you can see once again I'm going to show you like the t-shirts. Like if we will go to the detail page, first of all the user is going to select one site, and he is going to select one site. He selected one site, click on proceed button. After he click on proceed button, he can see the selected site is coming here, and with the checkout button. Okay, so both the buttons comes one by one, first proceed and then the checkout, and then he can see that okay, now he is able to select the large size. Now he can proceed further with the checkout button, and now we will pass the user to one function from where, and also we are going to work on its API. Okay, in the next video we are going to work on its API, and so that we can add the this product to the user card, from where the user can able to place the order. But we are going to put the product to the user card here. Okay, in this card but we are not going to show this card to the user. Okay, we are going to take the user directly to the delivery address, directly to the form, so that the user can fill the delivery address and can place the order, because we want to make it simple. Okay, so we will continue working on this one in the next video as well, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.